Water. I drink water every day. Mineral water. Mineral water is healthy. Sparkling water. Sparkling water has bubbles. Soda water. Soda water is good with lemon. Tonic water. Tonic water is bitter. Milk. I like cold milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is sweet. Strawberry milk. Strawberry milk is pink. Yogurt drink. Yogurt drink is salty. Kefir. Kefir is good for my stomach. Tea. I drink tea in the morning. Black tea. Black tea has caffeine. Green tea. Green tea is bitter but nice. White tea. White tea is light. Herbal tea. Herbal tea helps me sleep. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is calming. Mint tea. Mint tea is fresh. Coffee. Coffee wakes me up. Espresso. Espresso is very strong. Americano. Americano is hot and black. Cappuccino. Cappuccino has foam on top. Latte. Latte has a lot of milk. Mocha. Mocha tastes like chocolate. Macchiato. Macchiato is small but strong. Iced coffee. I drink iced coffee in summer. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is warm and sweet. Cocoa. Cocoa is like hot chocolate. Juice. Juice has vitamins. Orange juice. Orange juice is sour and sweet. Apple juice. Apple juice is my favorite. Grape juice. Grape juice is purple. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is tropical. Mango juice. Mango juice is thick. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is red. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is very sour. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is refreshing. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is orange. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is salty sometimes. Smoothie. Smoothie is thick with fruit. Milkshake. Milkshake is a dessert drink. Soft drink. Soft drink has a lot of sugar. Cola. Cola is dark and fizzy. Lemonade. Lemonade is sweet and sour. Orange soda. Orange soda tastes like orange. Energy drink. Energy drink gives you energy. Sports drink. Sports drink is for athletes. Malt drink. Malt drink is thick and sweet. Barley water. Barley water is good for summer. Coconut water. Coconut water is natural. Sugarcane juice. Sugarcane juice is very sweet.
Thank you for watching.